Haryana has passed a bill to reserve 75% of private sector jobs for locals. How is this step being received by industry and by people in general? Mohammad Ghazali finds out.
A bill passed in the Haryana Assembly has made it compulsory for private firms to give 75% jobs to people of the state.
जब हमने लास्ट मीटिंग एंटरप्राइज प्रमोशन पॉलिसी के लिए दिल्ली में गुड़गांव में करी, मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आने वाले भविष्य में 75% हरियाणा के जो युवा है वो अपनी हिस्सेदारी हर प्रकार की इंडस्ट्री में बनाए.
This applies to firms with more than 10 employees. Those whose home state is Haryana can avail this reservation. The bill applies to jobs with salaries less than 50,000 rupees. All companies will have to upload information on how many posts they have and how many have been given to youth from Haryana. No company can employ new persons until they upload this information. Haryana's youth who launched a movement for reservation are predictably happy, like Amit Kumar from Kaithal, who was booked during Jat agitation of 2016. He was later acquitted but is still unemployed.
जो गवर्नमेंट ये बिल लेके आई है 75% रिजर्वेशन का, ये बहुत ही बढ़िया डिसीजन है गवर्नमेंट का. इसका बेनिफिट सबसे ज़्यादा युवाओं को होने वाला है जो कि बेरोजगार युवा थे, जो कि सड़कों पर रोजगार के लिए अवसर ढूंढ रहे हैं. उनको सबसे ज़्यादा बेनिफिट होने वाला है क्योंकि हम भी 2016 से रोजगार के लिए संघर्ष कर रहे थे, जो सड़कों पर उतरे थे. उस टाइम हमारे ऊपर भी एक केस हुआ था.
Though the government claims that private companies were taken on board before enacting the law, many in IT hub Gurugram are not impressed. Vinod Sood, a member of NASSCOM, says that this will impact the ease of doing business.
In fact, the irony is that on one side, the central government led by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi is trying to ease the business, ease of doing business for the industry, forced to think about relocating outside Haryana or to grow their businesses in other states which have much more favorable conditions for doing business.
While the new bill still awaits Governor's approval, Dushyant Chautala's colleague and JJP MLA from Narnond, Ramkumar Gautam, also opposed the move.
मेरी सोच तो ये है, आज पंजाब में, हरियाणा में जीरी लगाने, बेचारे मजदूरी करने बिहार के भाई बहुत आते हैं, यूपी के भी आते हैं, बिहार के बहुत आते हैं. अगर आप ये इस तरह की टुच्ची बातें करोगे तो ये तो देश की आज़ादी के लिए खतरा करोगे.
Haryana has one of the highest unemployment rate in the country, and the government is trying to win over youth by passing this job reservation law in the assembly. But the bigger question remains that is reservation the only way out to create employment in the state? In Chandigarh, Mohammad Ghazali for NDTV.